Welcome to this guide on how to use Zoom as an attendee by Young Innovators Network. In this guide, we will cover how to use Zoom if it's your first time, what to do before a meeting, and how to use your mic, webcam, text chat, virtual background, and screen sharing tools whilst in a meeting. First things first is that you want to open up your Google Chrome browser and enter into your email. Give me a sec while I log in. Okay, we're in. You should receive an email with the Zoom meeting link. After opening the email, click on that link. Now, if you have installed Zoom, this link will open up the meeting, but if you haven't, as you can see, it will guide you to installing Zoom as shown on my screen. After installing Zoom itself, it will take you into the meeting. There we go. At the moment, the meeting hasn't started, so what you want to do is test your microphone and speakers. So after clicking the button, you want to click test speakers and it'll play to you a sound. And after that, you want to click test microphone and it'll say recording. Re-click the same button and then it'll play back the sound to you. Now that you're done, you just wait for the session to begin. So you're able to close that client. You may also go back by clicking test computer audio again. And to the left hand side of the client, you should see a video button. By clicking on that, you'll be able to see yourself through your webcam. If not, you can try and adjust the settings so that you may be able to fix that. After that, you should be fully set to go for the meeting. Once the meeting begins, it will ask you for what name you want to be called by. Please put your full name so that we know exactly who you are. And then click join meeting. After that, you're going to click join computer with audio. After clicking join computer with audio, you want to look at the bottom left side of your client. And over there, you'll see a mic. Let me just make this full screen. Yep. You'll see a mic on the bottom left side. Click this mic so that you can mute yourself. And what will happen is that when you mute yourself, no one can hear you whenever you're talking from the other side. Re-click the exact same mic so that you can unmute yourself. By unmuting yourself, people can hear you whenever you're talking to them. When someone is talking, it is better to keep yourself muted. And as you can just see, I just clicked the camera button, which is next to the mic. By clicking this, it will show your face through your webcam. Click the same thing to close your video. Now, as you can see, there are recording, chats, and screen sharing options. Click the chat to open up the chat. I have someone on the other side who will check if they can see my messages. So I'll just quickly double check if they can see. So I'll send 2 messages. And we'll just give it a minute. Okay, it seems they can see the messages. Cool. Now, another way to access chat is by clicking Alt-H. Now, the next feature is sharing our screens. Click the button next to chat that says share screen. It'll ask you what you want to share. You can share whiteboards, applications, but here we want to share the screen we're working on at the moment, which is screen 2. You click share after you're done, and now we're sharing our screen. The other side can see exactly what we're showing, and what you can do is that if you go to the top, you can pause your screen sharing. This means that they can't see what's going on. Then you can annotate and give remote control, which is some advanced feature we don't need to know. And annotating basically, as just from the name, you can just put like extra drawings and etc. You can clear the drawings as shown. And we're just gonna stop sharing our screen after this. So to stop sharing the screen, you click the red button that says stop share. Yep. And after that, we're also going to show you how you can add a virtual background. Click on the arrow next to on the right of the video button. So just fixing the webcam, sorry. Yep. So over there you'll see choose virtual background. Now what you have to do is that there'll be a plus icon right there, and you'll have to select an image for your background. I'm just quickly trying to find an image for this example. There we go. Open, and then it's going to ask you to download Smart Virtual Background Package. What it is basically a software designed to see what's your background and analyze where you are, so that it can change the background and not cover you. As you can see, it's working perfectly. All it sees is my face, and behind me is the background. And another way to choose the same option is to go into video settings, and then similar to how we tested our audio, you'll find the virtual background there, and you can add other images. So I guess that's about it. You can also add videos, of course. That's something else I could have mentioned, but those aren't really practical. And that's it. After a meeting has ended, or if you're going to leave a meeting, you can click the leave meeting button in the bottom right corner. And there is other options and other things you can do in Zoom, but that's it if we're looking at an introduction to what you can do inside Zoom. Thanks for listening. We'll just end the meeting now. So we'll leave meeting, and that's it. Thank you.